Sai, this question is for you. What about when a diabetes patient has to return to working in an office? Should there be extra precautions being taken then by a diabetes patient?
Diabetic patient, which is whatever the government has given recommendations, not only for a diabetic patient, even for everybody, there's some basic rules. Social distancing is very important. I prefer, if a diabetic patient is going to the office, to use a disposable 3-ply medical mask. Once he is out of the house, wearing that medical mask, once he is entering the house, before only he disposes properly the mask, so that at least the mask which he is wearing is properly used. And hand sanitizing is also very important. Soap is very important in the office, wherever. And he has to see that a diabetic patient see that social distancing is very important. And he should not get into this crowded places, more supermarkets, as much as possible, he can visit his office, maintain social distancing, hand washing, and wearing a disposable medical mask will protect him. And he himself has to see that having a good immunity is also very important. If he follows the basic things, I think we can defeat COVID-19. There is no need to panic. The more we have panic, the more immunity levels are coming down. There's so much of information about COVID-19. I think the very important part, it's more of assurance, self-confidence. We should know what are the precautions. If you become more panic and you're in a fear, you're going out, COVID-19 will come to you. Only thing is we have to see that what are the important...
Overload. There certainly is an information overload, and I think people who are constantly reading up or researching are getting a bit panic-stricken. So it's good to have that reassurance, Dr. Sai. But may I ask you very specifically whether you have any advice you could share with diabetics to manage their blood pressure at this time?
That's a very important question. I am seeing a lot of my patients when I do teleconsultation, their sugars are coming down. Only I have issue of controlling blood pressure because of the stress, anxiety levels, panic has been created. So what I see that I recommend them to have a BP monitor at home. And if they are regularly monitoring and be in touch with their family doctor, just adjustment in the medication. Of course, there is a lot of counseling needed, because if you give assurance to the patient, 20 to 30% the BP levels come down. If you make them panic, because there is so much of information, diabetic patient or a hypertensive patient at high risk during COVID-19. So he is in a fear sitting in home only. So we need to see that just maintaining a good immunity and maintaining yourself self-isolation and staying at home during this pandemic situation. I think BP can be controlled if he monitors and he sees that his other lifestyle factors like reducing salt and sometimes meditation, yoga, good music also reduces the anxiety levels, because the more we are depressed, the BP levels going up. Counseling is very important.
Right. So the more we are depressed, the more our anxiety levels go up. There's a direct fallout on blood pressure as well, and it's very important to try and control